Court has now refused to grant a stay on the special intensive revision of electoral rolls in poll-bound Bihar. A bench of the Apex Court observed that Election Commission of India has sufficient time to file its affidavit and complete the ongoing revision process. Hearing a clutch of petitions challenging the EC's decision, the top court said that the poll watchdog had a mandate under the Constitution to conduct the exercise. The petitioners are arguing and were arguing that the revision goes against the principles of free and fair elections and harms India's democracy. The bench said that removing someone already on the 2025 voter list would force them to go through a long appeal process, which could lead to them missing the chance to vote in the upcoming election. The Supreme Court has assured that no one will be deleted without notice or being heard. The judges also noted that there is nothing wrong with cleaning the voter list to remove non-citizens, but doing such an intensive process just a few months before an election can harm genuine voters. They also warned that the timing could result in eligible citizens losing their rights to vote simply because they could not complete the appeal process in time. The Election Commission Council, on the other hand, said that the Aadhaar card cannot be used as a proof of citizenship, to which the bench replied that this was a completely different issue and that it's Home Ministry's prerogative. Now, quoting the RP Act, the ECI panel said that one has to be a citizen to vote. The bench replied saying that isn't it too late now for that? And those, of course, were arguments ongoing in the court of law, but the court has now ruled in favor of Election Commission. All right, joining us on the show is Mohammed Amin, former Joint Director, Election Commission of India. Mr. Amin, this is a clear order in favor of Election Commission. The Election Commission can now go ahead with revising the rolls for Bihar.
Actually, always the Election Commission is a constitutional body and is always giving the right to the franchise of their votes to the voters and countries. And they are always doing all practices are done by the under rule of the Election Commission of India. And free and fair poll, we are committed for that. So in the country, and there is no harm for the registering the voters. So this is the SIR project is going on first time in the Bihar, and next maybe the other bordering state in the West Bengal. Actually, the coming election is in the Bihar. That's why. Yes, I can give the example also. Like the EVM pilot project was started in Kerala, and after that, 2004 in whole country, this was given by the machines to the Election Commission to all polling stations. So this is the practice. Whenever we have, so we have to start some place. Like coming election is coming from Bihar. So that's why the pilot project is starting SIR from the Bihar. Then we have the other state of the country. So there is always we are doing right things. That's why there no never courts are giving the.
But I hope you understand, sir, why petitioners were not very happy with it. There were a couple of issues that petitioners had brought to fore, and one, of course, was the fact that the petition, the timing of the ECI electoral roll revision dated 24th of June is just too close to Bihar polls, so perhaps not enough time given to people who may not find themselves in the list and may want to challenge EC's decision.
Always the opposition parties has seen the objection about the Election Commission's working, Election Commission, all processes, but Election Commission is doing free and fair poll in country. That's why all the systems are, and everything in the system under law they are doing. So this is not the enough time. We have the enough time. Like this will be completed up to 30th September. Final list will be, and before that we have the 1 month before that we have the objections to receive by. If any problem is there with the voter registration in case of the BLOs, they can talk to the AERO, and after that we have the district election officers. So to any objections to consult with this, but we cannot. No court can give the verdict about the stop the election process. When we start from the election process, nobody can come in between. Why? This is the compulsion of the Constitution.